Guys, today I'm taking a look at an ultra fast charger that can pretty much charge any device you have, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, today we have the Charging Mate Pro Sprint GaN charger from Kovol. Now this bad boy delivers 140 watts of pure power. Now, before we get into it, Kovol sent me this charger to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, before we get into it, let's take a look at what we have in the box. Now, getting everything out, we have some instructions and we have the charger itself. Now, taking a look at this charger, you can see it's about the same size as a MacBook Pro charger. It has a USB-A charging port which can deliver 18 watts of power and a PD USB-C port that delivers a full 140 watts. Point to note that if you're using all of the ports, your 140 watts max power is going to be distributed amongst your devices. However, this charger has some power wizardry to manage this, ensuring your devices are getting the right amount of power without getting damaged. Now, given this is using GaN technology, which in short means you can get high power, great efficiency and superior cooling all in a very small form factor, this is a very capable charger. In fact, the heat dissipation was amazingly cool, and Kovol's exclusive Q-Pulse technology provides surge protection and prevents overheating for 100% safe charging. Now, I've got a 16-inch MacBook Pro with an M1 Max chip, and this charger charged it up to 55% in less than 30 minutes. Now that's amazing, as the battery in this machine really does last a whole working day. So to have half a day's worth of life in just 30 minutes, yeah, that is pretty impressive. Now, I'm not saying that the original MacBook charger can't match those speeds or that performance. It probably can, but that charger is pretty expensive. So as an alternative, or as an additional one to keep in your bag, the Charging Mate Pro is a great option. One thing I didn't like about the Charging Mate Pro is it's kind of got a fixed UK plug on it. It would have been nice if it had been one that you could just slide a different plug top on, because I do travel, and yeah, be nice to just be able to flick on a European one or a US one, but it's not a deal breaker. Also, the Apple charger, as we were talking about it, is probably not quite as efficient as this one. I don't believe it uses GaN technology, and it only has one USB-C port on it, so I can only charge one device at a time. So if you're like me and you have a charger in your bag for when you're out and about, and you've got one plugged in at your home or studio or office, then this is going to be the way to go. And guys, if you order this charger from Amazon at the time of making this video, it's only £49.99, which is half the price of the Apple charger. So guys, there you have it. This Charging Mate Pro Sprint 140 watt charger from Kovol is definitely worth considering as a second charger, or even as a replacement should you need to replace your original. Charge two devices simultaneously. It's ultra fast, ultra cool, ultra small in comparison, and it's ultra good looking too, I think. So guys, I will leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. If you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Kovol for sending me this great product. It's going in my bag and will travel with me when I'm traveling. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.